Part 1. Mounting your iK8 on the dashboard. Step 1. First, attach the mount to the bracket interface on the back of your iK8. Make sure the power button is facing upward, with the bracket arm extending upward as well. Snap the mount into place, then pull it up slightly to lock the connection. Step 2. Next, choose the best spot on your dashboard where you can clearly see the screen. Clean the area thoroughly so the adhesive sticks well. Take the Velcro pad from the package, stick it firmly to your chosen spot. Then press the iK8 with its mount onto the Velcro to secure it. Step 3. Finally, adjust the flexible arm of the mount, so the iK8 sits close to the dashboard and doesn't shake while you're driving. Just rotate the device 90 degrees counterclockwise, and it'll switch from portrait to landscape instantly. Part 2. Wiring the car charger and backup camera. For wiring, please follow the same steps as shown in the iK7 installation guide. The iK8 wiring process is exactly the same.
Now let's cover wiring the car charger, which has two wiring methods. The first method is quicker but leaves the cables exposed. The second method takes longer but hides the cables. Here's the first connection method. Insert the Type-C plug into the main unit. Use a cable clip to secure the cable. Then tuck away any excess cable. Finally, plug the car charger head into the cigarette lighter. If your car is started, CarPlay will power on automatically. Once CarPlay starts, you can extend the front camera for better visibility and adjust the lens angle to center the image. Now for the second connection method. We'll wire the car charger and rear camera together from the start. Insert the Type-C plug into the main unit, and then plug the rear camera connector into the circular port below the Type-C port. Use the cable clips included in the package to secure the car charger and rear camera cables. Stick the cable to the lower edge of the windshield. Use the pry tool from the package to tuck the cable into the gaps and hide it. Then find the thicker car charger cable and use a cable clip to secure it here. Hide the cable as shown in the video. You can tuck the cable into the floor mat or behind the glove box. Plug the car charger head into the cigarette lighter. If your car is started, CarPlay will power on automatically. The rear camera cable needs to be routed along this path to the back door of the car. Alright, let's get started. Hide the cable within the car's trim and sealant strips. We've routed the rear camera cable to the back door of the car. The installation of the rear camera involves two steps. First, mount the rear camera above the license plate for the best angle. In this step, you'll need to remove the trim panel from the rear door to allow the cable to pass through. Since screw locations vary by model, you can search YouTube for disassembly tutorials using your car's make, model, and year. The rear door trim has many clips and several screws. You need to remove all the screws first. Then, use a screwdriver or a specialized car trim tool, or a flat metal pry bar. There are several types of clips, so don't use excessive force when removing them, as it might damage the clips. If a clip breaks, it shouldn't be a major issue. Broken clips are inexpensive and readily available at auto parts stores, so don't worry. Once the rear door trim is removed, route the cable to the inside of the door. For reference, our vehicle is a 2022 Chevrolet Equinox, and the disassembly process is similar. You can use this as a guide. Check above the license plate from the outside. Most cars will have a hole leading into the car. If not, use a drill to make an 8 mm hole. Once found, remove the rear camera, thread the cable through the hole, and attach the rear camera. If possible, Drill screw holes and use the 2 screws provided in the package to secure the rear camera, preventing the 3M adhesive from failing. Tighten the screws on both sides of the camera to secure the camera's angle. Connect the cable we just routed and plug it in. Okay, we've installed the rear camera. Step 2. Connect the red cable from the rear camera to the positive wire of the car's brake light. If you don't need the reversing assist function, you can skip connecting the red wire. If you want this feature, locate your reverse light. Put the car in reverse and find the reverse light. Here's the reverse light we found. Locate the positive wire. Locate the red wire, which needs to be connected to the positive wire of the reverse light. Here's the reverse light we found. Locate the positive wire. Please make sure to turn off the engine to cut off power and avoid electrical shock. Use a utility knife to strip a section of insulation from the wire, being careful not to damage the internal copper wire. Strip a section of insulation from the red wire as well. Connect the red wire to the positive wire of the reverse light and secure the connection with electrical tape. Close the rear door, put the car back in reverse, and check if the parking assist feature is working correctly.